In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier, we had the toss and Jericho Primary won and decided to go first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with Jericho Primary. And Bible knowledge. The killing of the fatted calf was part of a celebration in which parable in the Bible?
Parable of the Good Samaritan.
The parable of the Good Samaritan.
Incorrect, it's the prodigal son. Creative kids. In the parable of the 10 virgins, how many took their lamps and went out to meet the bridegroom?
5.
Incorrect, it's 10. Science, Jericho. How many incisors does the average adult human have in their set of teeth?
8.
Correct. Students, I'm just going to ask you not to shout, please. Creative kids. How many canines does the average adult human have in their set of teeth?
4.
That's right. Local affairs, it's a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Desmond Mackenzie.
Incorrect. It is the Honorable Stedman Fuller, the Custos of Kingston. Creative kids, look at the monitor and identify the person.
Andrew Swaby. Andrew Swaby.
That is correct. English language for Jericho, spell horrified.
Mine. Horrified.
That is correct. Creative kids, spell edifice.
Edifice.
That's right. Television, it's a visual. This is for Jericho. Look at the monitor and identify the cartoon character.
Sandy Cheeks. Sandy Cheeks.
That's right. Creative kids, look at the monitor and identify the cartoon character.
She go. She go.
That's right. General knowledge for Jericho. Philip Pierre is the Prime Minister of which Caribbean country?
St. Lucia. St. Lucia.
That's right. Creative kids, Dickon Mitchell is the Prime Minister of which Caribbean country?
Grenada. Grenada.
That's right. Social studies. How many general elections has Jamaica held from 1944 to 2025 inclusive? This is for Jericho.
7.
Incorrect, it's 19. Creative kids. In what year or years is in the 1940s did Jamaica hold general elections?
1932 and 1937. 1932 and
1937.
That's incorrect. It's 1944 and 1949. Jericho, music, it's a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this artiste.
Drake. Drake.
Correct. Creative kids, look at the monitor and identify this artiste.
The Weeknd. The Weeknd.
That's right. Mathematics, Jericho, what is the sum of the prime numbers between 97 and 107 inclusive?
$306.
That's incorrect. It's 408. Creative kids, what is the sum of the prime numbers between 80 and 90 inclusive?
$172.
That is correct. Sports is a visual question for Jericho. Look at the monitor and identify this West Indies cricketer.
Chris Gale. Chris Gale.
Incorrect. It's Alzari Joseph. Creative kids, look at the monitor and identify this West Indies cricketer.
Jaden Seals. Jaden Seals.
That's right. Jamaican affairs. This is for Jericho. Which Jamaican high school uses the motto, "The brave may fall, but never yield"?
Kingston College. Kingston College.
That's right. Creative kids, which Jamaican high school uses the motto, "Work is burning in the field"?
Jamaica College. Jamaica College.
That's right. And that brings us to the end of section 1. The scores are Creative Kids Learning Academy on 9 and Jericho Primary on 6. We go to the break with a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. If you are in a new class or new school this year, embrace the experience, make new friends, and set a new set of goals. Stay with us. Season 22 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.